Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're joining me for the first time. This is the second video of my mini Indian restoration, and today we're going to be picking some parts out to go to powder coat, get refinished, and we're also going to be putting a new seat cover on the old seat. And basically what we're shooting for is this. This was my first motorcycle, as you can see in the picture. That's me. This is the donor bike that most of these parts have come from, and you can see the seat here. This is an original seat, but it's got some chunks out of it where the arrows are pointing and some cracks in it. And so my father actually rebuilt this seat with some foam rubber and rubber cement, basically. And you can see the holes there he's pointing at and he filled. It's a pretty stiff seat. It's not much to it. He's going to put a couple pieces of padding underneath, and we got a replacement cover here. And we're going to start at the front. Just pulling it tight and get the first staple in. Then we'll get a couple pieces in the back, or a couple staples in the back, and work around the perimeter of the seat, just stretching it as straight as we can and putting a staple in. As you can see, he has a lot of trust in my stapling ability. It's all pretty straightforward. You just keep stretching it taut and putting a staple in. The only real difficult parts are when you have to go around the mounting bolts. You see here he's going to figure out where to cut to make this fold here around near the front mounting bolt. Get that tucked in. Put a couple more in and we're just about done. This probably took all together in real time, it probably took about maybe 15-20 minutes. And here's the end result. Really actually came out better than either one of us thought it would. And here we go into the parts. This is one of the storage areas for bikes. And we'll pick through some parts.
We need a frame.
Two motors.
Yep. Which one do we want? much nice, aren't they?
Yeah, except this got some pitting here. I don't know if that's going to come out.
It
This,
won't.
this one's not that bad, at least up here. It is underneath.
Yeah.
This one's also full of dirt. No, there's no major dents. This one's looks like it's almost been re-welded. I'd say that one.
Okay.
That bike bites it. Both look about the same. Although, is one a little wider than the other? Sure is.
It's easier to bend it in than bend it out, probably.
Yep, I'd say so.
Just put a bolt on. We got one of those, so that might be it.
It's supposed to have a pad on it, isn't it? On the foot?
I'm not sure. It may have to.
That's left.
Well, there's a pair.
Yep, that's a pair. Okay. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, do me a favor and give me a comment. Let me know if you like the videos, if the format's okay. Give me a thumbs up if you like. And I'm going to have more of this restoration coming. So, thanks for watching.